2021 Dodge Charger GT V6 all-wheel drive. She's a sleeper. Factory converter there and there. Factory X-Pipe. Then we did a mid-muffler delete. There, as you guys can see, on this side and this side. Then we did a rear delete on this side and this side, right there and right there. Then 4.5-inch black tips out the back. There'll be a link in the description for them. There and right there. There's the scrapyard of the old mufflers. There's the 2 resonators and 2 mufflers in the middle. These ones right here. That's how they come on the new ones, and those are their rears. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that share button, because sharing is what? Caring. Yeah, but Dodge Charger GT. Oh, look at that rear glass vents. It's all carbon fiber. Wow, that's awesome. That's something different right there. Go ahead. Charger GT V6 straight pipes. Go ahead. Yes. Again. Your sound decibels again. 119. Wow, that's perfect. You like it? Go ahead and back it up. That sounds really nice. Even for a V6. I like it. Let you guys hear it on the inside. I like the hood on it. A little hood scoop. Hood vent. Come get you guys a sticker. We got new stickers in. Wow, you can still hear it. It's awesome. Beast mode in a GT.